Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's video I'm going to show you guys all the items that I have inside my first aid kit. And as you see, I have a lot of items over here. So to be more organized and easy to reach, I have 5 different bags that I store all of these items in there. Let me show you guys. So here are the 5 different bags. I categorized each item based on their use, and I keep them in separate bags. So in this bag I have some small and large band-aids, I have some alcohol swabs, I have some elastic bandages, I have rolled gauze, I have large and small gauze, I have some triangular gauze, I have some medical tape and couple pair of gloves. So in this next bag I have some alcohol, I have hydrogen peroxide, I have wound wash spray, I have some antibacterial spray, I have betadine, I have lidocaine, I have cooling burn spray, some poison ivy scrub, I have hydrocortisone, I have Voltaren, I have A plus D ointment, I have Neosporin, as well as Tylenol, Advil, Motrin, baby aspirin, Tums, some eye drop, ear drop, Dramamine, some emergency vitamin C, Theraflu, Benadryl, and some ice packs. So in this bag I have a pair of bandage scissors, I have a tick remover, I have a couple of small scissors, I have a tweezer, I have 2 needle holders, some safety pins, I have a surgical knife, I have a disposable skin stapler, and a stapler remover. In this small bag I have a blood pressure monitor, I have a digital thermometer, and my oxygen monitor. And in this last bag I have packs of bleed stop powders. These are for minor cuts or major wounds. I have different type of combat compressed gauze. I have some trauma dressing. I have a pair of gloves, a pair of scissors, my tourniquet, and I have a couple of Israeli bandages. I also have this bag which is with me every time I'm shooting outside, and inside again I have another tourniquet. I have a couple of chest seals, I have a compact gauze, pair of gloves, and a trauma dressing.